Ro, njeni konkoro kwa maoni matwoke usebana na pedla. Bono lero ntagete nkwanire county ya Nyamira. Nyamira County, the most backward county in the country. According to approval ratings, chirichiko korukere ngaki. Nyamira comes last. Nere kubwato mukera. Kere omwalio. Lakini rendra ando kulikere Nyamira. Onyoranga Nyamira nere go produce the geniuses bagusi. The richest people bagusi. Abantu bali bagokora yani ebintu abantu amatajiri amange na bagusi Nyamira bakorukuru. Bono sinyunga county ya bero bakorukuru nkieko geretariko county yete neine kubete because yoboraibwa Nyamira bon speak obo kubete korugoro bakanse riso kuchakere gavana no monto liri charali nyene okorokunyalibo tali nkomorama gaki no mugakara asende lakini in terms of leadership ulineli charali nyene li charali qualified aya oise gocha omonto korukwe omonto bwenete ko oversight the oversight officer a senator okorukwo kongo mogeni bono inere one of the most useless senators ese country ya itotobugati yani okongo mogeni no muntu yani very useless omonto tamanyeti egenterama etenkelinga anyakoragera na governor ebabwateranete na governor banyakosaga ne county ya Nyamira banyakoragera omongwano oyo ngane nanda kweruka senior council yani bono abantu banyamire ngabanya gwetogeri erieta linene nga senior council engoka akoro Nyamira senior council lakini senior council but useless egasi eno kogenda TV ne radio TV ne radio debate kurumambi baka marawanya ko defend ODM na baba lakini gaste yako korapi kaki omonto gotenko mungachande nginyolingo nene litukeli kwa igwete okongo mogeni as the oversight officer kako reprimand a governor ya Nyamira County nyalibo on development no nene litukeli you just remind me litukeli ndiyo nonye aya inchubono woman rep matogoro woman rep erego elaini ya ene ngao erego tigatura tigane na igunera te kobe gavana tindamanya lakini nende na I wish her well onyo if she means well I wish her well bono oisako chachi members of parliament Nyamira has the most lackadaisical development wise the most lackadaisical members of parliament eba ko pool go chimaga bande ba ko genda kuchimotwe save for enkoko because people have been praising him ngwete what he has done na lisemwalo lipo ngwete ngokere is doing well lakini soko chabanta ba pande nara oyo mwabo yondo mwabo Danstan Omari very useless na ande bono Omari za na tebe Nyamira no abanta ba very significant people bakorukuru bono bona babo Danstan Omari lakini awatener mumurumu abonde nero le member of parliament flat, totally flat in terms of leadership, flat, useless pure kabisa oise kucha bono chi bono nande this is where the bone of contention here MCS Nyamira yani abantu balina abanta bono nabwo machara manyene bono abantu bari useless tata kaki no mukuragira nonye mukuragire county mugo jali abana inchi bali baba chorete but at least you have some sympathy esabana inchi bali baba bono inuma emobekire mubuko ne gavana magenderero tayo no single project ni Nyamira kuchingo kuminga abantu aba ekere mugo ikaransa no na assembly ya Nyamira when you guys are discussing Nyamira what do you discuss? Which language do you use to discuss Nyamira? Yani inkimugo discuss because there is zero development on the ground. Inkimugo discuss. Yani totally useless. Once no monto kali no speaker. What do you moderate? Eke kogera bono yani bono kaki nyasa konye Nyamira. Yani uiseko kocha tinda itiko batora malieta abantaba lilipi garanga kisesa no mungaini yake na rolo tima itinaranga kiege to rakaba anyway aya ega sibono ye senete bwenete kokora yo ku oversight ye governor ige kale kokorwa ne kijana kende bono nero beire shadow senator alternative senator ya Nyamira County okuru Jeremia Migosi otenene ta Dagoretti North, lakini ta faulu because ya alibona because of numbers na buna demographics chile tachie tiko faulu bono nero beire oversight officer ya Nyamira County nero kokolega si okengo yo Kongo mogeni abwene to gokora Jeremia Migosi nero kokolega si okongo mogeni bono Jeremia Migosi na imoka gatanga we are going to impeach this governor not really to impeach, but I want the all the leadership ya Nyamira ever suspended okogenda IBC mbamubegete pending ekera abantu bali MCS ba Nyamira baigwa bagachaka bono bagajoin Jeremia. They infiltrated the process bagajoin Jeremia bakamutenga let us impeach governor tikatomo impeach kumbe Jeremia tamanya njama kiero Jeremia ogwancherana ekera bono bagenda public participation kero muntu county ngima Nyamira gale otanga nyali bagende o monta yo tete komorro matuko makeiga Jeremia aba MCA bali bakuguru bako ekuchibese na nyali bonsi Jeremia ogotoka Kalebieka Migosi ogotoka Kalebieka bono mheshimiwa Migosi na igwete na tete nga is still pushing on aganyeta IBC achaka usangere signatures and we wish him well. Na hande ngote abantu ba Nyamira omonto buno yobono when elections come omonto buno Jeremia Migosi this is the perfect fit yoko kuchaku oversight ye governor ekuchakoswa na bande bambolinga pedla aibono kunya ukwana iga ngoro chora be governor ya Nyamira konya I'll tell you nande without any fear or favor nande tar monta yo ntomiranche como campaign lakini keren kuligere yo bara ibo Nyamira buna bole umuntu ura konya Nyamira because Nyamira